You know who else keeps talking about getting their buggy together?
Yeah, my brother, Will.
Wait, who's your brother?
Will. We're both talking about getting our buggies together forever. Subaru buggy. I started on July 6th.
Oh, okay. It's not as bad as I thought it was.
I'm only 5 months in. I've got the other motor out.
I'm sorry, you gave me a ride out here. That wheel comment was uncalled for. That's alright. What bang is you gave me a ride out here and I no longer need you?
Well, it was a toss-up between Will and Zach.
There you go, 180, please.
Those old Caleb up to this weekend. He wasn't going to come out.
Caleb, work Caleb?
Yeah.
I didn't tell him actually.
Oh, really?
I forgot.
I was surprised that those Will or anybody else could come out today.
I know, the weather's beautiful. I really didn't invite anybody because this was George's thing.
Yeah.
And then, well, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was George's thing, and then
it became our thing.
Yeah. I feel like I have to justify my own actions.
Yeah, you're poor, Alex.
You know,
there's something majorly wrong in my life.
So if I get a call, hey, I need help digging a hole.
Need your crescent hammer?
Yeah. There's easier ways than digging a hole in your or my situation.
Dog treats.
Oh my God.
Dude, it would probably take 32 seconds to a minute to get you sucked all the way in.
Oh, so you would feel your legs getting ripped off?
Imagine the infection you would get. Oh,
it'd be so terrible.
I bet he doesn't have to work anymore.
Ways that you wish people would die.
Like old age?
Yes, that'd be the only humane way, really. Try. It's a number 3, so it's a big fucking one.
We'll be able to make it work.
You can just put your one crescent wrench on it, or this wrench. Crescent wrench.
Question is Sammy going to notice that you stole parts from her?
No.
Well, let's do this. Let's put a nut on the back side of that one first. You want to push with the screwdriver instead?
Yeah. Is it? Nope. Okay, there you go.
Okay, you got several threads on there. Well, now you know what you got to do is you got to go home and cut that shaft off a quarter-inch.
It can be tighter. Go tighter. You don't shorten them.
You don't cut off a man's shaft quarter-inch.
You cut it all the way off.
It's a woman's shaft, really.
Oh yeah.
So would that be I identify as used to have a?
I don't know.
It brings a whole different meaning to Sitting Bull.
Yeah.
Click.
Yeah. What? Would you not beat it off, Alex?
Yes.
You would?
Every day.
Nope, it's not quite. Of course, is it center? Yeah.
It's not tight.
So which one's loose?
Yes.
Yes.
That's the other part that's going to help if you weld that bottom one on. It'll keep it from rolling around.
That's the problem with this tubing, is it still collapses.
Yeah, just like the aluminum ones eventually.
Well, you're fixed.
Not a toss.
Hey, you guys know I'm recording, right?
Oh yeah, that's why we're talking.
Okay.